Hello, this is Ryan Eisenhuth reporting for PNN. There's about to be some huge changes being made here at Perry Local Schools. The administration is switching to a standards-based curriculum. But what exactly does that mean?
Standards-based grading is grading in terms of standards and grading and reporting to students and parents about what the student knows about the content of the material they are learning.
And standards-based grading is a move towards trying to be very accurate in our grading. For example, in a course, we have identified several standards that we call the guaranteed curriculum. And in that curriculum, or power objectives, we like to be very clear with our students about what we're learning today, but we always want students to be able to answer 3 questions. And those questions are these: what am I learning? How am I doing? What do I need to do good to get better?
Albert Einstein once said, "Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish on its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid." Standards-based grading gives that fish equal opportunity with every other creature in the ecosystem. For example, some kids are really good writers, while other kids just sort of struggle at writing. That being said, is it really fair to grade everyone based on a writing exam instead of a comparison to the actual standard?
We want to be on a path of giving specific feedback to students so that every time we give you feedback, you can see yourself in the learning and where you're headed next. And we believe that words and descriptions do that very great. So when you get feedback on homework or feedback on a quiz, that you know very specifically what needs to change and improve in your learning to show it at an exemplar or proficient level tomorrow.
Standards-based grading ensures that your grade is an accurate description of your progress and not just a comparison to the rest of the class.
If standards-based grading is done correctly, then the grade should be more accurate and reflective of what the student knows. My hope is that the students have learned to develop a care for learning the material versus chasing points for a grade.
The administration guesses that it'll take approximately 4 years to transition to this standards-based grading system. In that time, we can expect to see many changes here at Perry. These changes will help Perry live up to a true world-class standard. This is Ryan Eisenhuth for PNN.